How do I download and install the 9Now app on my TV?
Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of downloading and installing the 9Now app on your smart TV. The 9Now app allows you to watch live streams and on-demand TV shows from Channel 9 in Australia. Now let's get started.
Do you have a compatible smart TV?
Before we dive into the steps, it's essential to note that you need a compatible smart TV to install the 9Now app. The 9Now app is supported on many smart TV platforms, including but not limited to LG, Samsung, Sony, and Panasonic.
Navigating to your TV's App Store.
Your TV's App Store is where you can browse and download applications, including the 9Now app. Step 1. Use your remote to navigate to your TV's home screen. Step 2. Look for the App Store or Marketplace. This might be called App Store, Google Play, Smart Hub, Apps, or something similar, depending on your TV's brand.
Searching for the 9Now app.
Once you're in the App Store, the next step is to search for the 9Now app. Step 1. Locate the search bar, usually at the top of the screen. Step 2. Use the on-screen keyboard to type in 9Now and start the search. Step 3. The 9Now app should appear in the search results.
Downloading and installing the 9Now app.
Now that you've found the app, it's time to download and install it. Step 1. Select the 9Now app from the search results. Step 2. Press the Install or Download button. Step 3. The app will now download and install. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 4. Once the installation is complete, the 9Now app should appear on your TV's home screen or in your list of apps. There you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the 9Now app on your smart TV. Now, you can enjoy watching your favorite Channel 9 shows at your convenience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please let us know. Happy viewing!